Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great start to their week. We're going to have some quite the big severe weather event happen this evening that we're going to be discussing in today's video. It's actually going to be a quick video. That's why it's called a turbo weather forecast, because this is going to be about less than 5 minutes long. We do have an enhanced risk for severe weather here in that orange color as we reach from southern Wisconsin all the way down there into portions of eastern Ohio. And this is mainly for wind, but we do have a chance for also hail and tornadoes. Also slight risk up in the plains, and that's going to be for also the chance for supercells up there later this evening. But let's look at the tornado risk for y'all. We do have a 5% chance for tornadoes in both areas across the brown percentages. That's a 5% chance for tornadoes, and also a 2% chance for tornadoes in the green in both areas. So we do have 2 areas to watch for tornadoes, but the main tornado threat is actually, here's that wind threat. We do have a 30% chance here for upwards of 75-mile-per-hour winds here in that 30% chance region. Also that hatched region, upwards of 70-mile-per-hour winds. So some significant winds could be possible within that storm. That will be kind of a linear storm, maybe more of a cluster, but at the end of the cycle, what it's going through is it's going to be turning into a big time wind threat, especially for the Cleveland area. So we're going to have to watch that very closely. Also a big time hail threat up in the plains. Not a big hail threat down there into the Ohio Valley, but there is a chance for some small hail. Let's look at the future radar. What's going on right now? Let's go ahead and go to about 3 p.m. here. As you can see, there was some storms this morning. They have diminished off now into widespread rain showers. But now we are going to be expecting storms here developing around 8 or 9 p.m. Later tonight here. As we head throughout the 10 p.m. here, these storms are definitely going to be looking very strong as they enter Michigan. And then again, this is going to be around 10 p.m. or so, around 11 p.m. Eastern, and then we head into around 11 p.m. Central. This is when it gets really spicy in Michigan. You got a lot of those storms, very clustered, very discrete. Some of them, those may have the bigger potential to produce tornadoes, and that'll be heading throughout the 12 a.m. time frame, where we do have a lot of those storms becoming a big time wind threat throughout the overnight hours. It's going to be at 2 a.m. or so, and Cleveland here may have 2 separate rounds of severe storms. One with very clustered heavy rainfall, hail and stuff, and possible tornadoes, and then another round with a big time wind threat later tomorrow morning around looks to be around 2 a.m. around 3 a.m. when those secondary storms hit. Those first storms are going to be hitting around 12 a.m. and then you have another round a few hours later. That heads here throughout West Virginia and Pennsylvania tomorrow, and that's where we do have another risk for severe weather. For tomorrow, in 3 different areas of slight risk in the mid-Atlantic, the Midwest, we have 2 slight risks in effect. The tornado risk, we have a 2% risk of tornadoes, not a big threat, but we do have a chance for winds, so 60-mile-per-hour winds. And not overall big threat for tomorrow, but there's a chance for some severe storms, but not anything significant. That was your turbo weather forecast. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new and turn on post notifications. I will keep you guys updated tonight on the possible significant severe weather up there in the Great Lakes, and also tomorrow's severe weather. I will keep an eye on if anything does show up to be significant. But as always, I'll see you in the next one, and stay safe.